Hi guys, back again with another video on how to use Weebly, and in this one I'm going to show you how to embed content into the website from external sources like Quizlet and Blendspace. So here we are, we've logged in, we're on the Weebly homepage again. So we're just going to go and click on Edit Site, which will take us to the editor. And once we're inside the editor, we're going to go back to the test page that we built. So the easiest way to do that is to click on Pages. And once we get these pages tabbed down the side, it was all the way down the bottom, okay, at the highest level. And we called it test, so I'm going to click on that. It will take me to the test page. So there's our lovely little cat that we put in last time. And this time we're going to embed something in there. So I might actually just put it next to the cat. So I'm going to delete this image here. Yes, I'm going to delete that. Beautiful. I'm going to go back to build. And I'm going to embed some content next to the cat. So actually I might put it under the cat. So I'm going to grab the embed code. And it wants to know where I want to put it. So remember where the blue line goes is where it goes. So I might put it under this divider. I've actually already put one there, so now there's two of them. Let's get rid of one. And it'll say click to set custom HTML. So when you open it up, this box opens up and it's ready for you to put in some code. Where do you get that code from? Well, I will show you. So let's go to Blendspace. When we do Blendspace ones, it goes like this. So you need to go into the Blendspace. So let's just go into the Cosmic Engine here. And we're going to click this share button. You're going to see this screen here, and you're going to see this little button down here that says embed. So all you need to do, it's pretty easy, is click on that. And it actually gives you the embed code, so you don't need to know HTML. So you're just going to click on that. I'm going to copy that. And then we're going to go back to Weebly, and I'm going to hit Edit Custom HTML, and I'm going to paste that in there. And there is the code. I'll just move this so you can actually see it. There's all the code that's required to embed that other site. The only things that I sometimes like to change are these two parameters here. So width is set at 800 pixels and height is set at 550 pixels. Now sometimes it'll actually create a scrolling situation within a window, which I find kind of annoying. So I'll get out of this for a second so you can see what I mean. So you can see that I'm scrolling up and down here, but within the blend space itself, you can see this scroll bar here, which I find kind of annoying. So the way to get around that is you have to click in the white space here to get this this window back. I'll just move this out of the way, hit Edit Custom HTML. The width, I actually like to change this to 100%, which rather than a defined width, it'll take up the 100% of the window that it's in. So if you're using a bigger display screen, it'll still take up the full width of the screen, which I find useful. And height, depending on how many windows you have in the blend space, I like to change this. So for a 9 window blend space, so you've got 9 squares, I like to change it to 800. Or in some of the senior ones, which have 20, 25 videos, I actually make this 1800, and I'll show you the effect of that in a second. So we're going to click outside the box here, and those changes should take place. So that width now is depending on the screen that I have. So that won't actually look different to you. But now you can see that this goes all the way down 1800 pixels, which is quite useful, and that scroll has now disappeared. So we only have 6 tiles in there at the moment, so I might actually just change that back. Might make this 800 and just click outside there to save those changes. Alright, so that's our blend space there, and it's a very similar situation if you would like to embed a Weebly. So I'm going to just drag another embed code in there. I'm just going to drop that below where we have the blend space. And I'm going to go into Quizlet here. And we're going to get the embed code for one of these Quizlets. So I'm just going to go into Waves. Alright, and once we're in Waves, it's easy. So you just go to More. And once again, there's that embed code. So click on that. Now, depending on what you want it to start on, there's a whole lot of different codes. What I've been doing is using flashcards. So if I use this one, I'm just going to copy that, click on it, so it's highlighted, copy, go back into Weebly, click on Set Custom HTML, and I'm going to paste that in there. And once again, so there it is there, it pops up nicely like that. And I'm just going to change a couple of the parameters. So I'm just going to drag that over there so I can see it. Click Edit Custom HTML. The height's 410 at the moment. I'm going to make this 550 just so it's a little bit taller. And width's already set at 100%, and they do that automatically, so that's nice. We don't have to change that. I'm just going to make sure that it's in the middle. There we go, and there is our Quizlet inside our Weebly website. So once again, guys, when you want this to be done, just click Publish. We click on the link again just to check it. And I'm going to go across and click on this. It's all the way across there. It's just because it's the test page. Actually, you wouldn't regularly have that many tabs up the top. And there's our friendly cat again. Link still there for the cat. There's Cosmic Engine embedded. And there is our working Quizlet.
Label the 7 main regions of the electromagnetic spectrum. Indicate which end of the spectrum has the highest frequency, shortest wavelength.
Okay, so that's all working. There you go. Enjoy.